And the last thing I want to show you is the data logging. So you can go to the history button, and this pulls up the data log folder, and this is all the different, every day the folder, you get a new folder for that day. So you can see you have March 30th, and here's April 1st. And if I look in the folder, I have two different data log files. They're CSV files, and they have the date with them, and then right after that, it tells you the lot ID. Remember, we called this, the lot was called testing or second test. So testing was the first one we run, second test was the second one we ran. I'm going to open this one, and it pulls it up in Excel, and the data log file tells you it's Phoenix Technology software, copyright Qualtex Technology, and it tells you the software version, and it's a run log file, when it was run, it tells you the name of the recipe, and then it gives you the information. This is the second test, that's your lot ID, and the operator was Kevin, and then I wrote a note here. So you can see, note, hi, this is a note from Kevin. And then the recipe settings. Now, this lists every step that's in the recipe, so that way you have a record of it. You have step 1 through, we only had 2 steps. You had your time for first step was 10. Then you had no gas 1 setting, and then your argon, your BCl3, no oxygen, no RF, and then your pressure was set to 100 millitorr. The second step, we had it for 20 seconds, and we kept the gas the same, but we introduced RF, and it was still 100 millitorr. So, and then while the system is running, it takes the same information and it breaks it out. So this is step 1, and there were 10 seconds. So it starts at 10, 9, 8, 7. So it shows you every second it takes a data point. So you have your gases and your pressure. So then we go on to step 2, and you can see that here's at step 2 we introduced RF, and you can see the RF slowly came up to 239, and it got up to 260. It actually went higher than its set point, 250, and went up to 270, 280, and then at the end of the recipe, it ended at 1 second in the second step, and that is the data log file.